Crispy wings tossed in the most epic honey lemony sauce. This is like the most ultimate honey lemon chicken wings. That's the sound of some good chicken right there. All right, so when I was testing the recipe for these wings, not even I was expecting how amazing they would turn out. These are literally like one of the best wings I think I've ever made, which means I'm super excited about sharing it with you guys. Now there's a couple of things here I wanted to get right. One is I wanted to get those wings really crispy, and two, I wanted a sauce that would cling and get sticky, but not make the wings soggy. So quite the puzzle, but I figured it out. I'm going to show you guys right now how to do it. All right, let's go for the marinade on the chicken wings first of all. I'm going to start off with some soy sauce, and then there's a couple of little kind of secret-y ingredients and techniques for this one, and one of them is some chicken stock cube. That's right, I'm just going to crumble that straight in here, and this is going to give us an extra boost of chickeniness and savouriness and umami-ness. Lots of nesses there, but anyway, it makes things good. It makes it good. And a little dash of sugar. So the sugar is actually going to help us develop a really beautiful color and crustiness on our chicken. Now, give that a mix. Best to get in here with your hands, I think. You really want to kind of massage those ingredients in there and kind of break up that stock cube. Get it making friends with the soy sauce and the chicken skin. Now, if you're really organized, leaving these overnight in the fridge would make your wings even more epic. I often am not that organized, so I'm just gonna leave these aside for about 10 minutes while I make my sauce. Now for the honey lemon sauce itself. Obviously, we need some honey. And then with the lemon, I want to use both the zest and the juice because that's going to give us the best, brightest sunshine kind of lemon flavor. So I'll just take that zest off first. Pop that zest in with the honey, and now the juice. So try not to get the seeds in there, which I am usually half successful at. Now heat that up until it just starts bubbling. And what we've done here is we've taken care of the flavor. Now I want to take care of the texture. And the texture here is really important to get the right juxtaposition of the crispy and the sticky and the amazing end result. So what we need is a little bit of corn flour here, just mixed with some water. And now just pour that in. Now just give that a stir, and very quickly it will magically turn into a very thick sauce, much thicker than you would think you want. Okay, so if you have a look, this is the kind of situation we're going for here, almost like a jelly. Okay, so just set that aside. Keep it kind of warm, so keep it in that warm pot until you're ready to mix up your wings. All right, so you want some hot oil. You can check if it's hot enough by popping in a wooden chopstick or a wooden spoon, and some nice little angry bubbles there, so I know we're good to go. Now I want to do this in batches because I want to make sure that each wing has a chance to get nice and crispy in that oil. So I'll just put half of my wings into my corn flour. And then just shake off as much of that flour as you can and get those wings into that oil. Now you want to give these as much time as they need to get really deeply golden, deeply crispy, about 8 to 10 minutes actually. All right, so these are looking great. Just check that out for some golden, crispy deliciousness. I love frying chicken. Now, while those wings are still nice and warm, that's when you want to be mixing them with our lemon honey sauce. So pop these into a bowl. That's the sound of some good chicken right there. Now add in the sauce, and you'll think that you don't have enough, And if that's the case, then you've got just the right amount, because what we don't want is too much sauce making everything soggy. We really want that great balance of the crunchy and the sticky, as I keep going on about. All right, just give that a mix. Now, a few sesame seeds here. There's a toss. And now pop those out onto a plate. All right, so let's just see how we've gone here. So excited about this. I mean, for me, it's that ultimate mix of, you know, that beautiful crispy lemon chicken you used to eat in Chinese restaurants, well, I did anyway as a child, and the honey chicken as well. It's like the best combination of both those things in a wing. And you've still got that crunchy, crispy exterior, and then that sticky sauce. It's like magic. It's actually like pure magic. Yum. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.